Hello there. Welcome to a quick overview of the instructor dashboard, a valuable feature of Cambridge Courseware, formerly Cogbooks. In this video, we'll review the instructor dashboard and highlight some of the key features in each report. The dashboard can be accessed by launching any assignment or by clicking the Advanced Tools link on the Courseware Tools page. The dashboard reports focus on three areas: enrollment and usage, activity and progress, and communication. Each include real-time data that instructors can use to monitor student engagement and get a better sense of how well students are understanding the material. To get a quick overview of each report, simply hover the cursor over the name of the report. Then click on the report you want to view. The class enrollment and activity report reflects a high-level view of student engagement. At the top, there's an overview of how many students have enrolled and logged into the courseware. It also shows total usage and learning items completed. As you scroll down, the data is put into graphs to give you a visual representation. The Content Effectiveness Report is a great tool because it tracks how much time students are spending in the courseware. The data shows the overall time spent in each topic and the average time spent in each learning activity. It's important to note this report, along with any others, can be downloaded by clicking the blue Download Database button at the bottom of the report. The Class Digest report lets instructors view weekly usage trends. The usage trend chart shows the number of student views that week, and the snapshot shows the percentage of students that have completed each module. It further breaks down the data to show which learning items students need the most support and which ones were skipped and completed the most. The assessment snapshot details the questions which students failed the greatest number of times. The Grade Center allows instructors to see an overview of students' grades for each assignment. To see specifics, click on View Grade Details, and the Grade Center for that student's assignment will open. There you can see the grade and what percentage of the assignment has been completed, as well as the completion status for each of the learning items. The summary report reflects real-time progress of students and helps identify which students are engaging with the material and which are not. First, you'll see an aerial view of the class's progress. In this example, I've highlighted Assignment 1, where 67% of the students have completed it. The topic completion summary shows that there are 4 topics, also referred to as modules, within Assignment 1 and the completion percentage for each. To see more details, click on a topic you want to view. In this example, I clicked Topic 1, Overview of Anatomy and Physiology. It will show the completion summary for each student. The left shows a percentage that's been completed, and the right shows the number of items that have been completed, viewed, needed revision, and not viewed. If you highlight a student, you can see which specific activities fall into each category. The assessment report provides data related to how well students performed on assessment questions and gives detailed item analysis. It helps identify specific students that are struggling, as well as content areas that give students the most trouble. Note and answer keys provided in the top right corner next to download details. Much like the summary report, the assessment progress report shows what percentage of the class has completed each topic. In the example below, 69% of the students have completed Module 1. Click on a module to view the details in the Student Assessment Progress Report. This report shows the status of each assessment within that topic. The students can be sorted alphabetically or by performance to get a better understanding of which students are struggling the most. From this report, students can be emailed by checking the box next to their names and clicking Email these learners. Each will receive a separate email, and it's a great way to quickly intervene when you see a student could use some extra help. Specific assessment questions can be analyzed by selecting the corresponding column and question. The Student Assessment Answer Report shows the question, the student's answer, the number of attempts, and which answer distractors caused students most trouble, which in this example was D, all of the above. The progress report provides details about the exact learning path that each student took and helps pinpoint where students are failing and where they're succeeding. It also helps identify class learning trends. On the group progress page, each subtopic has a color-coded icon to reflect whether it's been completed, skipped, needed revision, or not viewed. Here it will show how well students performed each item on the default learning path. Note that the modules can be changed by using the drop-down. To view the specific learning path that a student took, open the Learner Path tab and select a student. This will show how they performed on every activity in the course, including which remediation they accessed. Hovering over the icon allows you to see the learning activity details. The messaging tool is used to receive messages from students. Within the courseware, students can use the Ask the Instructor feature, and here is where the instructor can read and respond to these questions. New messages will be found in the inbox. Click on the link to open and send a response. Thanks for watching this overview of the instructor dashboard. We really hope this enhances your Cambridge courseware experience.